Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can launch your Squarespace website. So let's get right into it. As you can see, currently I'm on one of my sites on Squarespace. However, I'm going to create a new one just to show you guys the steps for that. I'm going to go into my dashboard and I'm going to go ahead and click create a website. This is going to open up a new tab and it's going to open up the create menu. Now, first, it's going to ask you some questions. Most likely this popped up immediately because I already selected some certain specific suggestions. However, you can enter those suggestions and it's going to recommend some templates, or you can build your site with AI, which you can just manually type in your specifications and it's going to allow you to get templates based on that, or it's going to create a custom template for you. For me, I'm just going to select a custom template from here. I'm just going to select this one. You can change the color preset, which I will do that, to this one, and click start with this design. And once you're here, it's going to open up the site editor. And if you want to launch it as is, which I do not recommend you do, because of course it's just going to be a template, it's not going to be useful for anything. But what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and get a domain, because that's what you need to launch your site. I'm not going to edit anything. And to get a domain, you need to click on your settings, then go into domains and email, click on domains, and click get a domain. Now, as you can see, you already have a built-in domain. However, if I click on it, you don't have any options to launch your site. So I'm just going to go ahead and go back, and we're going to click on get a domain. You can also use a domain you own. If you already own a domain, it really doesn't matter. Click here to search for whatever custom domain you want. I'm just going to search for this, and as you can see, it'll pop up with some suggestions on domains. Some of them, most of them rather, will be $20. Some of them will be on discount. Some of them might be more expensive depending on the extension that you have. But you just select one of these, purchase it, and then you can go ahead, go into your domain settings and launch your site from there. You just have to unprivate your site, and that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.